Foreman, can you count in your language? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in your language, Urdu.
Yeah.
Baden, I will teach you Filipino. Okay, start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, Urdu.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, Aman, teach him how to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in Philippine language.
Utang ina mo.
Again.
Utang ina mo.
Oh, you. Count Philippine language.
No language.
No. Same, Aman. Same.
You go this June side, but then third June. Foreman, utang ina mo. Same. Mia show.
Oh, you count na. Ba, Aman
Why
ya.
are you laughing this guy?
Serious.
Utang
Ta
ina mo.
Oh, you.
Ta no mo.
Aywa, say yeah.
Puta mo no.
No, yar.
Utang ina mo.
Puta na mo.
Yan, big utang ina mo.
Pero right.
Why are you laughing?